The world is rapidly changing, technology evolves, and businesses gradually go digital. Tomorrow is unpredicted because of the unexpected technological advances. What you see today may come in a different form tomorrow. So, best you adapt yourself to the recent trends in technology and finance. Kindly subscribe to our channel and like our video. In today's video, we have enlisted the top 7 most important financial trends in 2022 to keep you up to date with the recent happenings and future outlooks in the world of finance. To kill the boredom of anticipating what the new trend may be, let the countdown begin. 7. Cloud computing and technology. You may have probably heard of cloud computing and technology, but what you don't know yet is how powerful it'll make financial institutions. In 2022, from the dawn of history, organizations constantly had to reimburse money for technological data storage and pay to shack large data systems, taking up space in the workplace before the costs of tech management. Currently, watching how cloud computing and technology are expanding, more and more financial agencies are likely to adopt the trend and use the cloud. The cloud transmits dexterity in the work field and delivers to employees increased access to work systems from anywhere in the world. Therefore, moving to the cloud is a much easier decision to make in 2022 for most finance companies. With the cloud, what could you expect? Nothing less than a faster pace in financial companies. So don't get left out. Make sure to hop on this trend. 6. Fast and automated processes. Manual procedures are tedious, stressful, and time-consuming. There are no two ways about that. Worse off, it is not always precise and productive for business. Instead, it causes a delay in work efficiency. However, with technology advancing so swiftly in 2022, automation is likely to replace the ever-slow manual process with a faster input and output process. During the fourth quarter of 2021, companies are putting models in place and investing vast sums of money in automating their business processes in the years to come. It is expected that, during the early phase of 2022, automation will be in place to boost client gratification due to accuracy, speed of communication, and, in the long run, may reduce operational costs. Prepare yourself for a much more accessible customer service ahead of 2022. No long queues or annoying manual slow processes. Also, hop on this new trend if you're a financial institution and let your customers enjoy a good reception. What could you be waiting for if not 2022? 2022 will be a better year for financial technology. No more stress. 5. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. In 2022, be expectant of artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are a fraction of computing concepts. Artificial intelligence works out tasks, whereas machine learning concentrates on understanding data. In the coming years, both AI and ML will be heavily operated by finance companies seeking to automate their services, furnish more innovative solutions, and increase their capabilities as a company. We hope as more and more companies adopt the trend, yours wouldn't be left out. 4. Contactless services. Contactless services are already in usage. Regardless of that, it is expected to become more widespread in 2022 as more and more people are looking for a much easier and faster means to bank with their mobile phones. Undoubtedly, the many adversities caused by the COVID-19 outbreak have come to change consumer behavior and attitude. Poised with the appetite for social distancing, companies took upon themselves the burden and shifted to the contemporary reality at an incredible pace. For what Visa says, nearly 33% of businesses have started accepting contactless payments, with nearly 78% of consumers altering how they reimburse for items as well. As a company finds ways to stay relevant and up to date, also consider customers' demands and adapt to their needs. This will spur your success and grow your financial institution. 3. Buy Now, Pay Later. In 2022, expect the Buy Now, Pay to go mainstream with many people and financial institutions hopping onto the trend. With the surge in popularity of e-commerce platforms, online shopping, and new breeds showing up online, The adoption of unique payment possibilities is coming to pass faster than ever before. Take a look at Buy Now, Pay Later solutions like Klarna and Afterpay, where buyers can directly revamp their homes into a virtual changing room by trying before buying. Aren't these nifty trends in the world of finance notable? 2. Blockchain. We often hear of blockchain technology and its alliance with cryptocurrencies. What you probably have no idea about is that, in 2022 and the coming years, we are set to see more of its genuine possibilities. Blockchain is a closed system that allows for trades, not just finance, to be carried out and supports the growing lending industry, which is set to thrive to a value worth $1,000 billion by 2025. Blockchain began its operations as Bitcoin Blockchain Patrol in 2011 and later invented a cryptocurrency wallet that accounted for 28% of Bitcoin transactions between 2012 and 2020. It also employs a cryptocurrency trade and provides institutional markets, lending business and data charts and analytics. The target of blockchain is to allow digital information to be saved and shared without editing. That way, a blockchain is a foundation for immutable ledgers or records of transactions that cannot be altered, deleted, or destroyed. Blockchain is extremely fast and steady. 1. Decentralized finance. Decentralized finance is the argument that is stirring up in many conversations. Though decentralized finance started as a better financing tool to finance cryptocurrency, it is expected to become at the forefront of financial technology in the upcoming years. The net value of decentralized finance is at $99 billion, currently bestowing access to money transfers without the involvement of a central authority. Decentralized finance has come up with smart contracts to reshape financial systems. 2022 will be the year when most banks and other financial corporations will embrace decentralized finance. 2020 saw a lifestyle change. The coronavirus pandemic drove many people indoors. Businesses went remote, and many economies crashed. However, the most prevalent was the rise in technology, which kept many businesses thriving, relationships intact, and economies rising. At most, 6.37 billion mobile phones are in use globally, and 62% of the global population consider a more effortless and faster banking service, thus leading to numerous financial trends likely to unveil in 2022. If we missed anything, let us know in the comments section below. I hope you got a kick out of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and like our video. Thanks for watching.